I greet you in the name of UPDF, whose leadership has organized this kind of activity for the sake of peace in the world. Mazungumzo yangu nitayakata kwa mara tano. Preparation, that is pre-mission. Pre-mission preparation, then insertion, then operations in the mission area, and then preparation for rotation, and then finally rotation out. Preparation for deployment. Si vyenye vinatakiwa vyote mmefanya. Mafunzo mmefanya, discussions mmefanya, demonstrations mmeona. Kila mtu sasa anategemewa kwamba yuko tayari kuondoka. Tukiwa tunajua kwamba umefanya preparation ya kuhandle family yako. Roho yenye inatupeleka pale ni roho ya Kiafrika ambayo wazungu wanaita Pan-Africanism. There is nothing much we are prepared for as a benefit from our activities. Hakuna chenye tunategemea. Isipokuwa chenye tunategemea ni kuona wenzetu wamepata utulivu, nao wameanza kuwa na maendeleo jinsi tulivyo wakati huu.
Sir, our mission, the mission of this school, is to deliver high standard education and training to members of Uganda People's Defense Forces and allied armed forces in order to equip them with adequate knowledge to participate in multinational peace support operations. The Chief Officer, these troops have been taken through all the mandatory mission training modules, making them eligible for deployment in African Union Stabilization and Support Mission in Somalia, that is AWSOM. Having satisfactorily been taken through all the phases of pre-deployment mission training that include specialized training, leadership training, peace support operation Syria skills training, mission readiness exercise, live firing exercise, pre-mission ideological orientation course, among others. It is my conviction that the objectives of the course have been achieved. Therefore, we expect this battle group to lift our flag high in the mission area, and we pledge to continue being the same for a peaceful world.
But for us as Battle Group 45, we are privileged to have received a fundamental and a wonderful training, and before you, the forces are ready for the mission. Sir, I've just returned from the mission area. I came back last night, and I can ably say that I've been, the advance team, including myself, has been ably orientated fully. and the BT-45 will deploy in 2 sectors. Being able to cover all those forces and feel and touch the requirement and the need, and that we are ready to fit in Battle Group 41, which we are rotating from the mission areas. Battle Group 45 is ready for deployment as fate and manifest are ready. Rotation is beginning on 25th, Saturday. It will run up to November 25th, as the leadership may wish deemed necessary. If there are changes, but that is what the program we have, and by Saturday, first flight will be leaving Entebbe to Mogadishu.
Yes, sir. Now, junior officers,